Okay student, let's start. At first we know what is the meaning of a fraction. Fraction name equal parts of an object. Okay, let us suppose your mother has bought a chocolate for you and your brother. So this is a one chocolate, so you divided the chocolate into two equal parts. Okay, then one whole is divided into two equal parts. Now each equal part is called 1/2, and you can see I can draw a diagram. It is called 1/2, and let us suppose the chocolate is divided into three parts. Then each part will be written as what? 1/3. Yes, whole chocolate, and it is divided into three parts and it is written as 1/3. Okay, and then fraction is divided, fraction name equal parts of an object. So the chocolate is at first divided into two equal parts, and each part is equal, called halves. Okay, and next it is another way that it is written as 1/2. Okay, let us suppose a chocolate in this way, and it is divided into two parts, therefore each part can be written as half. Okay, half and half, therefore half plus half is equal to one whole. Okay, and the one whole chocolate is divided into two parts, therefore each part is equal to half, and we can write half plus half equal to 1. Therefore 1/2 means one part out of two equal parts. Let us see the picture. There are two parts, that half and half. Okay, next we can see the picture. Here it is divided into two parts, therefore each part half. Okay, next we can see a triangle in here, obviously half and half. Okay, next we know about thirds, therefore three equal parts. Let us suppose your father has bought a bread for your breakfast, and it is divided into three equal parts. One whole bread divided into three equal parts. Okay, then three equal parts are called thirds, and each equal part is called 1/3, and it is written as 1/3. Okay, therefore 1/3 means one part out of three equal parts. We can see some picture to show 1/3. You can see 1/3, there is a picture. Next it is also 1/3, there are two and it is a part, therefore whole is divided into three equal parts and one part is called 1/3. Similarly in this picture we can see. Next we read about fourths. Fourths mean four equal parts. Let us suppose there is a pizza. Okay, and the pizza is divided into four equal parts, and four equal parts are fourths. Each equal part is called 1/4. It is written as 1/4, and it is also called 1/4. You have to remember this. 1/4 means 1/4. Okay, 1/4, 1/4. Next we can see some picture. See the picture, the thing is divided into 4 equal parts, and part each part is called 1 by 4th. One shaded part is equal to 1 by 4th. In here there are 4 equal parts, obviously there are also 3 equal parts. Now more than 4 equal parts, at 4 equal parts, at now we read 1/2, 1/3, now we read 1/4, and now we read more than 4 equal parts. Okay, more than 4 equal parts, a thing can be divided into 5 equal parts, it may be 6 equal parts, 7 equal parts, and so on. Okay, a thing can be divided into many ways. It can be 1/3, 1/4, 1/4, 1/6, 1/7, okay, and so on. So I think you can understand that more than 4 equal parts is equal to, it may be 1/5, 1/6, 1/7, and so on. Now it is a picture. Here you can see a whole thing is divided into 5 parts, and each part is called 1/5. Okay, 5, therefore one part is 1/5, and it is written as 1 by 5. Similarly, you can see a picture, it has 6 equal parts, and therefore one part is called this part is called 1/6 or 1 by 6. Similarly, a thing is divided into 7 equal parts. Okay, therefore 7 equal parts, therefore you can see the shaded portion, it will be 1/7, because, or it can be written as 1 by 7. Similarly, you have 1/8, 1/9, 1/10, and so on. Now we can get a definition of fraction. Numerals such as half, 1/3, 1/4, and dot 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 are called fraction. Okay, I think you will understand better if you see the whole video. Numbers named by the fraction are called fractional numbers. Okay, I think you have already get about fraction. Okay, next we know more than one out of many equal parts. More than one out of many equal parts. Suppose you can see a picture, I draw, this is, and it can be divided into 4 equal parts, and here it is we take 1, but here we take 1 out of many equal parts. So suppose we can take another part, therefore it is 1 out of many equal parts, therefore we can write it as 2 part, therefore it can return 2 by 4, because we can take 2 out of 4. Okay, now you can see some picture. Here it is a picture, and a thing is divided into 5 parts, and we have taken 3 parts, so it can be written as 3 by 5. Okay, similarly there are 2 circles, and here we taken 2 parts, so we can 2 parts, and we can written as 2 by 4. Okay, and 2 by 4. Similarly, in this circle it is divided into 4 equal parts, and we take 3 shaded part, therefore it can be written as 3 out of 4, but 3/4, we can say 3/4. Similarly, here it is a picture, and it is divided into 8 equal parts, and we can shade 3 equal parts, so we can write it as 3 by 8 or 3 by 8. Okay, student, next we solve exercise 6a. Okay, now see the book, and we find out the chapter. Yes, this is exercise A, and here what is written, what part of the picture is colored, write it as a fraction. Okay, first we see the picture. Here there are two part and one part is colored, and so we can write it as 1 by 2. Next, here there are three parts and one part is colored, so its answer I write in my copy. So its answer will be 1/3. And next, here one part is colored out of 4, so it will be 1 by 4. Next, 3 portion is colored, so it will be 3 by 4. Okay, 3 portion is colored here, so it will be 3 by 4. Next, here 2 portion is colored out of 4, so it will be 2 portion colored, so it will be 2 by 4. Okay, 2 portion is colored and 2 portion is not, so 2 portion colored, the fraction will be 2 by 4. Next, number F, here 3 portion is colored, so it will be 3 by 4. Next, here 3 portion is colored, 3 by 5. Here 2 portion is colored, 2 by 5. Here 5 portion is colored, 5 by 9. Here 3 portion is colored, therefore it will be 3 by 8. Okay, next, here 1 2 3 5 6 portion is colored out of 12. Okay, 1 2 12. So here out of 12, 6 portion is colored, it will be 6 by 12. Next, here total here 16 parts, out of which 6 part is colored, 8 part is colored, so we can write 8 by 16. Next, for each figure in question 1, write the fraction which part is not shaded. Okay, so we will do in my copy. In number 1, one part is not shaded, this part shaded and this part not shaded, so answer will be one part out of 2 is not shaded, so it will be the answer 1 by 2. Number B, 2 part is not shaded, so it will be 2 by 3. 2 part is not shaded, 2 by 3. Here 3 part is not shaded out of 4. 1 2 3. Okay, next, number 1 part is not shaded out of 4. Okay, here 2 part is not shaded out of 4. Here 1 part is not shaded out of 4. Here 2 part is not shaded, 1 2 3 4 5 out of 5. Here 3 part is not shaded out of 5. Number H. Okay, next, number how many part, 1 2 3 4 part out of 9. Okay, next, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5 out of 9 is not shaded, out of 8 is not shaded. Okay, no, this is here out of 5 by 8. Next, 1 2 3 5 6 7 8 9 12, 6 by 12, 6 portion is not shaded out of 12. Last, here there is 1 0 5 6 7 8 8 out of 16 is not shaded. Okay, next, we will do number 3, and what is written, the answer is done in my copy. Okay, then write the fraction for which of the following: 3/8, 3 by 8. Okay, next 2/5, 2 by 5. Next 7/10, 7 by 10. Next 9/15, 9 by 15. Next 1/9, 1 by 9. Next 12/19, 12 by 19. Next write the fraction in words just opposite. Okay, then it will be 1/2, not a half, 1/2. Yes, 1/2. It will be 1/3. Next it will be 1/8. Next it will be 2/6. Next it will be 4/7. It will be 5/10. Next it will be 4/12. Next it will be 4/5. It is 4/5. Okay, then what the answers are: half, 1/2, 1/3, 1/3, 1/8, 1/8, 2/6, 4/7, 5/10, 4/12, 4/5. Okay, then we will do next we will do fraction of a group. Fraction can also be used to name parts of a group or a collection. Okay, parts of a group or a collection. Okay, here there are 3 cards and 2 out of 3 are yellow. Here the fraction of yellow cards is 2/3. Okay, 3 out of 2 are yellow, therefore we can write it as 2/3. Okay, next we can do some problems on fraction of a group. Number 1, 3 out of 5 fruits are mangoes, therefore it will be 3 out of 5, 3 out of 3/5. Next, 5 out of every 8 students in a school are boys, 5 out of 8, therefore it will be 5/8. Okay, 5/8. Next we will know about what is denominator and what is numerator. We can write a fraction in this way: 5/6 is a fraction, we know it. I write another 2 fraction, 1/2 and 2/3. All these are fraction. Here a 5 is called the numerator or n, and 6 is called denominator or shortly d. Okay, here there are 2 fractions. Here 1 is called numerator and 2 is called denominator. Here 2 is numerator and 3 is numerator. Therefore the denominator of a fraction tells the total number of part of a whole till the number of a part is taken. Therefore, the denominator of a fraction tells the total number of parts of whole and numerator tells the number of parts taken. Okay, next we do write the fraction whose numerator and denominator are given. Okay, we do the problem here, numerator and denominator are given. Therefore, the fraction will be 1 by 2. Here n is equal to 2 and d is equal to 5, therefore it will be 2 by 5. Okay, next we know about a number line. In a number line, how a fraction is represented. As numbers, fractions can also be shown in number line. Each fraction number line starts at 0 and ends in 1. The denominator decides into how many equal parts we divide the whole number line from 0 to 1. Okay, and the number fraction can be also shown in the number line. Each fraction number line starts from 0 and ends in 1. Okay, starts at 0 and ends in 1. This is important. For fraction starts at 0, ends in 1. Then the denominator decides into how many equal parts we divide the whole number line from 0 to 1. And the numerator decides how many of these equal parts we take. Okay, now our concept will be clear if we see some examples. Okay, at first we see the picture. Here there is a number line, here 0 starting point and end point 1, just to read, and half the total portion we make it half, therefore that will be the half point, 1 by 2 point. Okay, from 0 to 1, half. Okay, similarly we divide 0 to 1 into 3 equal parts, therefore it will be 1 by 3. From then it will be 2 by 3, and we can write 1 as 3 by 3, and this will be very easy for understanding you. Therefore it will be 2 by 3 and the whole part will be 3 by 3. Okay, now we we solve the exercise 6b, color the fraction and shown on the number line. This is the exercise 6b. We do number 2. Here you show the number line and at first you show in the book. This is from okay, this is from 6b. Okay, and here you show the whole part is divided into 3 equal parts, and you know the fraction number line starts from 0 and ends in 1. Therefore we can write the first point 0 by 3. It is 0 and the last point is 1. Okay, this is 1 out of 3. Okay, that will be written as 1 by 3. That portion is 2 by 3. 2 portions shaded, it will be 2 by 3, and at last all the portions are shaded, so it will be 3 by 3. Next, here you can see the whole part is divided into 4 equal parts, starts from 0 to 1 number line, and first part 0, no portion is shaded, therefore it will be 0 by 4. Okay, 0 by 4. Next portion, one part shaded, it will be 1 by 4. Next, 2 parts will be shaded, it will be 2 by 4. Next here we make 3 part shaded, so it will be 3 by 4. Next we shade all the part, so it will be 4 by 4, that is 1. I think you understand. Next, number 4. Here you can see there are 5 parts of a things. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5. So first point will be 0 by 5. Okay, next point 1 by 5, one portion shaded, it will be 1 by 5. Next 2 portions shaded, it will be 2 by 5. Next okay, we make it 3 portions shaded, 3 portions shaded, it will be 3 by 5. Next here 4 portion will be shaded, and we can write it as 4 by 5, and at last all the portion are shaded, so we can write it as 5 by 5. Okay, next number 5. Here you can see the total thing is divided into 8 parts, starts from 0 and ends with 1 number line. First part 0 by 8, second part 1 portion shaded, it will be 1 by 8. Next 2 parts shaded, so it will be 2 by 8. Next 3 portions shaded, so it will be 3 by 8. Next here 4 portions are shaded, so it will be 4 by 8. Next here 5 portion are shaded, so it will be 5 by 8. Next we will make 6 portions shaded. Okay, then 1 2 3 4 5 6 portions shaded, so it will be 6 by 8. And here 7 part will be shaded out of 8. Okay, so it will be 7 by 8, and at last all the portions are shaded, so it will be 8 by 8. Okay, now we understand how a fraction represent a division numeral. Suppose here there is a square and it is divided into 4 equal parts, and one portion is shaded, so it can be written as 1 by 4, or it is written 1 division 4, written as 1 division 4. Okay, next you can see there are 4 apples out of 3 apples taken, so you can written as 3 by 4, or it is 3 divide 4. Therefore the division 1 by 4 indicates that out of 4 equal parts, one part is shaded. The fraction 1 by 4 also represent the same fact. Okay, here you can see the total part out of 4, one part is shaded, therefore it is written as 1 by 4. Again, out of 4, 1 by 4 part is shaded, therefore it is also, we can write 1 by 4. Okay, therefore both these are same fact, and so they equal. Next we know how using division to find fractional part of a whole number. Okay, suppose you have 6 apples, you ate 1/2 of them. How many did you eat? Okay, 6 apples, half you ate. Okay, half portion you ate. Therefore how many apples you ate? Total 6, half you ate. Therefore half of 6 is equal to 3. You can see in the picture, and you can think half of 6 is 6 divide 2 and write 3. Okay, total 6 half, therefore it is 3. Similarly, you can know that 3 by 4 of 16 is equal to 3 into 16 divide 4. Okay, just as above. Therefore 3 into 4 is equal to 12. Now we do exercise C. Okay, then let us find exercise C. We read the first problem that Anju had 14 toffees. She gave one half to her friend. How many toffees did she give to her friend? Okay, the total 14 toffees, out of half portion he gave to her friend. Therefore half of 14 is, it will be 14 divided by 2, then it will be 7. Okay, next problem. 1/3 of 12 oranges in a basket are rotten. How many oranges are rotten? Therefore there are 12 oranges and 1/3 is rotten. Therefore we write 1/3 of 12, and it will be 12 divided 4 is equal to 3. Next, Chintu had 4 pencils. He lost 1/4 of them. How many did he lose? Okay, total 8 pencils and 1/4 of them lost. 1/4 of 8, and it will be 4 2s are 8, therefore it will be 2. Next, number 4. Sandha ate 3/4 of 16 sandwiches she had. How many did she eat? Total numbers of sandwiches 16 and he ate 3/4. Therefore it will be 3/4 of 16, and it will be 3 into 16 divided 4. It will be 3 into 4 is equal to 12. Okay, next problem. A dog catcher caught 15 dogs. 2/3 of them ran away. How many dogs ran away? There are total 15 dogs and 2/3 of them ran away. Therefore 2/3 of 15 is equal to 2/3 into 15, or 3 5s are 15. Therefore 2 5s are 10. Okay, next problem, number 6. Work out the value of each of the following. 1/3 of 12. Therefore 1/3 of 12, 3/4s are 12, 3/4s are 12, it will be 4. Next, 1/12 of 36. Then 36 divided 12, and it is 3. Next, 3/4 of 24. Therefore it will be 4 6 are 24. Therefore 3 into 6 is equal to 18. Next, 1/5 of 20. Therefore 4 okay. Next, 2/3 of 9 equal to 3 3s are 9. 2 into 3 is equal to 6. Next, 7 8s of 24. We know that 3 8s are 24. Therefore 7 into 3, it is 21. Next, number 7. There are, we read the problem from the book. Okay, there are 400 students in a school. 2/5 of the students are girls. How many girls are there in the school? Okay, total students 400. 2/5 of 400, that is 2 into 400 divide 5. It will be 2 into 80 is equal to 160 girls. Okay, next we will do next number 8 problem. There are 360 trees in an orchard. 3/4 of trees are apple trees. How many trees are apple trees? Okay, 3/4 are apple trees out of 360. Then we can write 3/4 of 360. Okay, you can write 3 into 36, 336 divide 4, that will be 3 into 90 is equal to 270. Okay, next number 9, we read the problem. There are 72 seats in a coach in a train. 8/9 of the seats are reserved. How many seats are reserved? Okay, তাহলে 8/9 of 72, 8/9 of 72, that is 8 into 72 divide 9 is equal to 8. 8 is 64. Next, number 10. How many minutes are there in 1/12 of an hour? Okay, how many minutes are there in 1/12 of an hour? Okay, we know that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Therefore 1/12 of an hour. Okay, of an hour, therefore 1/12 into 60 minutes, it will be 5. Therefore it will be 5 minutes. Okay, so student, the first part of the fraction is completed. Next day, that is in next video, I will do the next part of the